Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Warts Leather Goods. Warts Leather Goods is a website that says it sells leather packs, wallets, belts, and other accessories. At first, the site looks professional with nice product pictures and big discounts, but when you look deeper, there are several problems that make it hard to trust. The prices are much lower than what real leather normally costs. Genuine leather items are usually expensive, but here everything is very cheap. This is the first red flag. Many buyers have also reported that the products they received were not real leather, but low-quality material. Some people say that they didn't receive anything at all after paying. Another issue is customer support. Reviews online show that once you place an order, it is very hard to reach the company. Emails and messages are often ignored, and refunds are almost impossible to get. A legit store usually has clear and fast support, but Warts Leather Goods doesn't. The website also does not clearly share who owns the business or where it is located. There is no phone number and verify limited contact information. Legit business normally share full details about their company, which builds trust. Most reviews found online are negative. People complain about late delivery, fake products, or losing their money. Very few positive reviews are available, and those also look suspicious because they don't provide much detail. Warts Leather Goods shows too many red flags, unrealistic prices, poor or missing products, no proper support, and a lack of company details. With so many complaints from buyers, it seems more like a scam than a trustworthy business. If you want to buy leather products, it is safer to shop from well-known and reliable brands. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.